Note to all, sporting fairy tales are a rare occurrence. Don't be fooled by Lionel Messi's World Cup triumph in Qatar. That was an anomaly. Usually, when the pressure cooker is at its highest and the burden of history is barely a fingertip away, it can all get a little bit too much. And ultimately, it all proved too much for Ons Jabeur on Saturday, with Marketa Vondrousova the women's singles champion at Wimbledon 2023. The world number 42, the first unseeded woman to win the ladies singles in its long history, had a bet with her coach that he will have to get the Wimbledon badge tattooed on his body if she won the title. Whether Jan Mertel will be deep down regretting that decision now is a moot point. The Czech 24-year-old, in beating 5 seeds in 7 rounds, has pulled off one of the all-time shock streaks this past fortnight at the All-England club. In the split second of victory, with one final volley into the open court, she glanced to her box before collapsing to the ground. Great Britain's Neil Skupski claimed his first Grand Slam men's doubles title with a memorable final victory at Wimbledon with Dutch partner Wesley Koolhof. Skupski and Koolhof, the first seeds, defeated Spanish-Argentine pair Marcel Granollers and Horacio Zeballos 6-4-6-4 in the final on centre court on Saturday. Liverpudlian doubles specialist Skupski, 33, has tasted success in the mixed doubles at Wimbledon in the last 2 years, but this represents his first major victory in the men's, after missing out in last year's US Open final.